Sobrang straightforward ang pangalan ng restaurant ito, Yummy Dumplings. And true enough, yummy indeed. Ang sarap ng dumplings nila. And I didn't expect na a restaurant inside a commercial mall would serve crazy good dumplings as well as tasty Northeast Chinese dishes. We had such a good lunch here at Yummy Dumplings in Mall of Asia. Malapit lang siya ng hypermarket and the place is very charming, para siyang mga Chinese restaurant sa Hong Kong. Well, if ang pangalan ng restaurant mo is Yummy Dumplings, well, you better serve yummy dumplings talaga, and yummy dumplings we had. We ordered two and we enjoyed both. Fave hands down was the Happy Double Shrimp Pork Pan Fried Dumplings. Well, paano hindi sasarap yan? Double shrimp nga. The shrimps were plump and sweet, tapos savory coming from the pork. All the juices, the flavor, same with the tiger dumplings. Ang saya kasi soupy pa siya, and you get that bite from the meaty pork. So good, and definitely would order again kapag bumalik kami. Everything we ordered is best paired with the shrimp and egg fried rice. Ang ganda ng quality ng rice, and lasang-lasa mo yung wok hei flavors. Yung smoky pa talaga siya with a slight umami. Crispy pork belly paired with the vinegar was also pretty good. Crispy yet tender and juicy pa on the inside. Pero mas nagustuhan namin itong salted egg yolk chicken. Halatang salted egg talaga yung gamit, hindi powdered. Very flavorful, at the same time hindi siya ganun kaala. Also love the subtlety and comforting flavors of the golden broth fish mo chicken rice noodle soup. Flavors are very balanced sa main chicken soup. I think what I didn't like lang is the crispy oyster mushrooms kasi hindi na siya crispy. For me, medyo bland yung taste niya even with the 5-spice dry dip. And ayan, meron din silang mala hot pot, which was pretty okay then. Limited lang yung choices but pretty solid mala bowl. Slight numbing pa din. Mga food, parang they have a way here na very subtle yung flavor but at the same time flavorful pa din. So in general, we were really impressed. And to this day, kinakrave yung dumplings nila. Enjoy!